Start the Start Assist bar with a double click of the corresponding icon on your desktop. The different programs of the Assyst suite are all accessible from this bar. On the blue level, you will find all 2D applications, such as CAD Assyst for designing your pieces. To start a program, simply click on the corresponding symbol. Create marker for creating new markers. Lay Assyst for marker laying. Plot entry for plotting data. AMC upload to send markers to AutoMarker. And the data pilot used for data management. On the red level you will find other helpful tools such as Config tool. There you can make various settings, for example to display additional information or to change the behavior of individual functions. In Doc Assist you will find all the manuals. The CAX Explorer is like the Windows Explorer but for the Assyst data. Enjoy working with the Assyst programs.